The next construction that we're going to see is how to construct an angle bisector for an obtuse angle. It's almost the same as acute, but you can get into some type of error here soon, so you just got to make sure you're careful. First thing, make whatever measurement you want. It's fine to make whatever measurement you want here, and I'll just center it there, have whatever measurement, and you just need to draw an arc so that it hits the angle, one of the rays of the angle, and you can draw an arc all the way around if you want, or you can just really focus on it getting over to the other side. I need to make sure that it hits both sides of my angle, both rays that make my angle. Once I've got that, I'll label these A and B. Now we want to do the same thing that we did with acute, which means we need to draw some kind of arc over here and over here that'll hit, and it'll tell us where to bisect. But you just want to make sure that the arcs that you create are going to hit. If you make it too small, if I make an arc over here and then an arc over here from B and my measurement is too small, the arcs will never hit each other. So I would recommend, at the very least, from A, make some measurement that goes past the vertex. If you're going past the vertex, you should be pretty good. So I'm going to, from A, make sure my measurement is past the vertex, and then I'm just going to go ahead and draw a big ol' arc. So let's do this. I'm going to draw an arc over here. So there's my arc centered at A. Now once you have that measurement that you said past the vertex, do not change the measurement of your compass. Just pick it up, keep the exact same measurement, and now center it on point B. And with the same measurement, I'm going to just, whoops, I got my center off of point B. You got to be careful. With that same measurement, make sure you're staying on point B. You're then going to draw out an arc, a second arc, and where it intersects, that's going to tell me where to put my bisectors. So I had the same measurement from point B to that arc as I had from point A to its original arc. Where they intersect, I will call this point C, and that tells me how I get to bisect my angle. So right here is how I bisect my angle, from the vertex over to point C. And so now at this point, I've made a bisector of this obtuse angle, which means that this arc over here, this angle over here, should be equal to that angle over there. And that's it.